It's movie night. Tomorrow is a special day. The Mickey Mouse Clubhouse Plus. The suddenly the straw and stone appears. So people with no planners. No planners? Where are you? Don't go. I start with So rain popcorn. Here we go. Popcorn.
Peppa loves watching the popcorn pop.
It goes in and gets warm and all puffed up. Pop, 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 pop. Here it comes, Peppa. Yay! Hooray!
Down the hole. Everyone sat in a chair during the movie. All together. Thanks, Donald. You're welcome. Go away, Donald. We're making the fun. What you do now?
Daddy Pig and Peppa are adding lots of flavors to the popcorn. This one will be salty.
This one will be sweet.
We'll mix them both together
in an extra tasty treat.
If you add a little of this and give it a stir, you can make
Rainbow popcorn! Daddy, look! Daddy, it's rainbow popcorn! Oops, sorry, Danny.
It's okay, Peppa.
That's even better!
It's time to party the movie. The everyone is ready. The suddenly the straw went blew off.
And
raining popcorn.
catch that popcorn.
We can't watch the film like this.
Huh? Maybe we should cancel.
No! We can't! I know! We can be popcorn! Follow me! Whoever you are, I'm June Balloon! Hey, June! Hi, guys! I wish we could meet under less windy circumstances! Oh no! I'm so sorry, June! OMG! She's heading towards the stationery store! No! Too many contacts!
Dolls coming in hats.
You made it a war. Every popcorn. Everyone popcorn. Every everyone. Every like a movie night. Everyone a popcorn. Nom nom nom.
We're flying up, 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 we'll be there soon.